Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. So in today's unboxing video, what we have here is the Atzebe USB Type-C Hub Pro. So I have a MacBook Pro 2017 model, and I needed a hub that allows me to expand my ports for additional peripheral connectivity. So maybe you might have a laptop as well that only has a USB-C port. So this might be a good hub for you to consider, possibly as an accessory for your tech adventure. So what comes with this hub basically? So basically you got one USB Type-C, you have three USB 3.0 ports, you have one micro SD, one regular SD, one LAN port, which is actually a gigabit LAN, and then you also have one HDMI that can output at 4K resolution, but at 30 frames per second. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. As we can see, there's not much to it on the outside. Okay, so here we have what is considered as the user manual. So this is just some basic instructions, there's features here. And on the back side, it's just more of the specifications, and then also the operations, how to use this. So let's go ahead and take this out. I don't think there's anything in here, anything else, so that's that. So let's put the packaging away. So here's the Atzebe USB hub. So let's take a look around. So here's the three USB 3.0 ports. Here you have your LAN gigabit port. Here you have your HDMI outputs at 4K. Here you have your regular SD card slot. And then you also have your micro SD slot right here. And then I believe, well, it looks like here you can pop this out somehow. Let's see how this works. Oh, it really is stuck in there. Let me take this off camera, guys. Get a feel for this. Okay, so this is really snug in there. So basically I had to pry it backwards like this to pull it out. So it was really tight in there. But we see there's a USB port C here. And what you can do is actually, if you have a power supply, you can plug it into here. And then you can plug this end into your computer or maybe your phone or some other USB-C device and actually charge it that way. So this end, I would assume, plugged into your laptop. And then here you can just plug in all your different peripherals, basically. And then if you want to close it back together, basically just go back here, angle it, and go like that, basically. And then here you have a little hook. So if you want to carry it around, backpack, whatever, you can certainly do that. So the finish is like an aluminum kind of feel, sort of similar to maybe, I don't know, any of your other similar tech gadgets that has this kind of aluminum finish, basically. So what I'm going to do is let's do a quick HDMI test. Let me hook up my MacBook Pro, get my TV over here, and then let's see how well this works. So stay tuned. Okay, so we got my MacBook Pro, and I have it set up where it's going to mirror the desktop to the TV or to the monitor. If you want to use it as an extension of your desktop, you can certainly do that as well. So let's go ahead. All you gotta do is just take it, plug into your USB-C port. I already have the HDMI connected to the other end of this hub, basically. And then if we go to the TV, we see that it'll just basically mirror my desktop here. And if I press play on the computer, it'll also play on the TV, and it can also output the sound automatically to the TV. So if I need to do that, then all you gotta do is just go ahead, adjust the volume here like on YouTube. And if I want to, I could use my TV remote, increase the volume on TV, and you're good to go. So that's today's unboxing video of the Atzebe USB C Hub dongle. If you guys have any questions about this product, let me know. I will have a link in the description if you wish to purchase this as part of your accessory adventure. So you guys have any nitpicky questions, leave a comment here on the YouTube page, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.